Here we are today, YouTube. I wanted to show you guys how to grow figs. This is just a bit bigger than a golf ball. And what I use for this tree is just always keep the dirt moist, and then also the tips I have is use chicken manure. Either it's chicken manure or cow manure, but I prefer chicken manure. Just the same thing as the tomato plants I use. And as you can see, it has lots of figs here, and then some over here. They're all big, like the size of a golf ball, just bigger than that. And this is the product I use. It's Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food, and it grows bigger and beautiful plants and all that. It works for flowers, all vegetables, houseplants, roses, all trees and shrubs. Here's the things it has. And this is the one I use. For every scoop of this one's is per gallon right here. Which I'm not gonna pour that today because I poured it last week. And how much I usually put, it's half a gallon, which is 4 pints, half a gallon. But this one I put here half a gallon, and then half a gallon over there, so it's just 1 gallon here. And that's pretty much it. Here's the size of the fig, and this one's ready to eat. Look at that. There's one. ¿Los arranco todos? ¿Todos? Here, let me get the other ones I have. There's 2 of them, and then 3. Four. Here's the 4 figs, and they're all the same size. Just bigger than a golf ball. And this is a product I use to grow these. Like I told you guys, 1 scoop of this is for 1 gallon, and I put 4 pints, which is half a gallon. Here you go. I'll show you guys, and they're really sweet, this one's. Look at that. Really sweet, juicy. They're really good. And that's how I grow them, with this product, Miracle-Gro. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video and share it.